So basically, we have been maintaining on in the MDA that different political parties have different ministers and number of ministers based on the number of MLAs that they have. The president of the BJP had changed, and it was not Mr. Shibun Lingdo, who was there during the meeting that we had during the formation of the government, when Shri Himanta Biswa Sharma ji, the now Chief Minister of Assam, and anyway, the Tourism Minister of Mr. Alphonse was there, then Mr. Nalin Kohli, and the then President Mr. Shibun Lingdo was there, and there was a discussion among the MLAs, and we were also there, and some sense came up that there should be sharing in the ministership. So therefore, when the 2.5 years was over, so BJP also had a discussion and a meeting in this, but there was no clear information that came to me on this in this regards. But just recently, I have received a letter from the president of the BJP, Shri Ernest Maury, mentioning about that meeting and mentioning that that particular agreement and understanding should be honored, and therefore, based on that, he has recommended that Shri Shandor Shulai should be taken into the cabinet, and based on the letter of the president of the BJP, this is being done.